Hey guys, welcome back. Now today we're gonna do a really speedy, fast, 2-minute, 2-product eyeshadow look. I'm telling you, anybody can do this. It's gonna take 2 minutes. You're gonna need 2 products, 1 eyeshadow stick, 1 bronzer. If you don't have an eyeshadow stick, use a cream eyeshadow. If you don't have that, use any eyeshadow powder that you have that you really like, but that's something that's easy, something you can just throw on and you don't have to worry too much about blending, okay? This is for my people who are on the go, my people who don't have enough time in the morning, who have to get kids ready, have to go to work or have to go to school. It's just too much and you're not gonna sit there and do a 10-step eyeshadow look, okay? 2 steps, bronzer and your lid color. That's it. Let's do it together. Take your favorite bronzer, light or dark, it's okay. I'm gonna put it on a fluffy brush and I'm going right into my crease. You know, we're in a rush, we don't have that much time, so we're just going to blend it through our crease, maybe a little on our lid, and just a little bit into the brow bone, and then just here, kind of meeting your blush at your temples. You're like, oh my gosh, you know, I don't have that much time to spare this morning, so I'm serious, this is only gonna take a few seconds. It's gonna be the easiest eyeshadow that you've ever done, and it's gonna look so perfectly polished and perfected. Okay, I've got my top lid done. Looks great, looks beautifully defined. I'm going to take this same bronzer color on my bottom lash line. Doing the same thing on the other side. If you feel like you need to blend that out, just take your brush that you used on the top lid, your nice blending brush, blend that out. Looks amazing. No time to spare. I'm gonna take my eyeshadow stick. Any color eyeshadow stick will do. I know a lot of you guys have some that are more eggplant colored. You might have a navy blue. This one is just very neutral. Gonna put it all over my eyelid. Smudge, smudge, smudge. You know, I love the eyeshadow sticks that have a little bit of shimmer in them because it just makes you look like you've done so many other steps when it was just like a simple eyeshadow stick. So that's why I use this one all the time. And I really love these neutral taupey shades. For some reason, they just call to me. You can leave it like that. I'm gonna go underneath a little bit just because I think it's very cute. It's a very cute look. If you want to blend with your finger, do that, because you know, we don't have any time. But if you do spare a second, just take your brush again. Boop, boop, boop. I just like to blend kind of all over. There you go. Love that. Love it. Now, one thing I can spare the time for is mascara. I need bottom lash mascara. Makes all the difference. Look at that. I actually have lashes. Now you might not have time for 2 or 3 coats, so 1 is perfectly fine, especially with this eye look because it's not something that is too perfected. The most amazing payoff with so little effort, and that, my friends, is the best part about makeup. Is it doesn't have to be hard, it doesn't have to be complicated. Throw something on, trust me, it's gonna look amazing. I know you can do this look, I know you can. 2 minutes, 2 products, you're gonna love it. I hope that you enjoyed. Please let me know if you tried in the comments. If you wear this to work, let me know how many compliments you get, because I know you will get some. Please like and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, have a great day. Bye guys, see you again.